Alright, pause for a second and look at your phone. Yup, that everyday device you use to scroll, chat, and binge-watch videos? What if I told you it could help you make real, legit money? No scams, no weird stuff, just real-life success stories and a bit of hustle. Let's break it down. First up, there's freelancing. If you can write design edit videos or even offer advice, Fiverr, Upwork put you in front of people who'll pay for your skills. I know someone who started editing TikToks for $5 a pop on their phone. Now they make hundreds a month right from their couch. Next, try out selling stuff you don't use anymore. eBay, Mercari, Facebook. Marketplace make it super easy to snap a pick list your item and wait for buyers. I sold an old pair of headphones for twice what I expected, and the whole deal happened while I was lying in bed. If you're more into sharing your thoughts, try content creation. TikTok, Instagram Reels. YouTube Shorts can turn your phone into a money-making machine if you're patient and consistent. I know it sounds wild, but I've seen people start with 0 followers, and months later, brands are sending them free stuff and even paying them for shoutouts. Want to make money just by using your phone on the go? DoorDash, Uber Eats, TaskRabbit. You pick your hours, accept gigs, and cash out, all from your phone. One friend of mine made enough in a weekend to cover their phone bill and then some. And hey, don't ignore the micro-task apps. Surveys, mystery shopping, testing new apps. You won't get rich, but those little payouts add up quickly for things you're already doing. Here's the real talk, though. Success doesn't happen overnight. The key is to pick something you enjoy, stick with it, and don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Your phone's not just a distraction, it's a moneymaker if you use it right. So the next time you unlock your screen, remember, you could be building your own success story. So what are you waiting for? Go make that phone work for you. Before you go, check out the link in this video's description. And don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this one.